Sometimes I think about like Tetris, about certain games with pretty primitive graphics that captivate the excitement of a large number of people. And maybe it's the excitement of a large number of people that contributes to the awesomeness of the game. So when many people together get excited and talk about it, that sort of gets implanted into your head. But that's one of the great games. I mean, even like Solitaire and Minesweeper. I mean, there's just a generation of people that have gone to war in Minesweeper, right?
Well, those things were included in the OS not as games, but as educational tools to get you to use a mouse.
Oh,
So
interesting.
Solitaire is there to show you how to do drag and drop.
Yeah.
And Minesweeper is probably right click. I think you put a flag or something. I'm
Yeah.
not a Minesweeper guy, but so each one of them teaches you something.
Minesweeper guy. That's funny. Yeah. Wow. I didn't know that. That's interesting. And that's true. But I don't know how many hours I've spent on these games. And like millions of people have spent millions of hours on these games.